We are the closest dealer to service your car with. Our service department has created a free home pickup and delivery program for your safety and convenience. We offer 24/7 appointment scheduling. To get started, visit our website, click on Schedule Appointment. Enter your information and of your cars, the mileage amount it has, what type of service you require, pick the date and the time that is most convenient for you, and if you have a preferred service advisor. Enter your address where you want us to do the pickup and delivery of your car, and at last, confirm your appointment.
Keeping your health in mind, we disinfect and sanitize every vehicle before and after servicing it. This is the new normal, and we are ready to assist you.